Alright, John Smith, Central Beekeeper Supply. I'm going to show you today how to install a frame spacer. You have 9 frame availability in this spacer going in a 10 frame super. So by putting it into this box, we're going to reduce the number of frames that you can use in this box. I want to show you the correct installation of this in case you ever buy these separately and change your boxes from 10 to 9 frame. I'm going to do this with the manual, the hammer and nails. I want you to also understand you can do it with an air stapler. The length of the staple will be 5/8 of an inch. The length of your nail is 5/8 of an inch. Anything longer and you're going to drive through the box and it will be on the external edge of the box, which you do not want. So with that being said, the super has the frame shelf. This is where the ear of your frame would sit in day-to-day use. This is where your spacer will sit. So you're creating, this is in a 90 degree, this is in a 90 degree. You do not want it here. Your frames will be external. You want it to drop down internal of the box and set on the shelf. Now, when you get it to that stage, you want to split the difference, the gap between the box wall and the end of the spacer. So when you have that determined and where you want it, you take your 5/8 nails. I usually start out here with the spacer in the middle. Start my nails. These little old nails will get your fingers. You will smash your fingers. So little tech tip, get you a pair of needle nose pliers, something with a tapered point that you can utilize to hold that little bitty nail. Tack them down. There's usually not room in the corner for my fingers and the hammer. Make sure that that is pushed up secure. Start your nail. Drive them in. 4 little nails. Flip the box. Make sure that you're down here. You have it. Drop it to here. Drop it within the box. Split the difference between the box and the end of the spacer. Start your nails in the center. Put your tacks down. You can go ahead and drive these. You got one that popped out. Last tack, get that, make sure your spacer's pushed against the box tight as you can. That's got both spacers installed in your box. Takes 2 per box. Now you have 9 frame capability, evenly spaced in a 10 frame super. That's how you put them in. Thanks for watching.